If your lips are always dry, even when you're trying to take care of them, this isn't random and it's probably not what you think. Maybe you've had those moments where you're reapplying lip balm all day and for a few moments it feels better, but then the dryness comes right back and you reach for it again and again and again. And at some point you start wondering, why does this keep happening? Why does nothing actually last? And that's the part that no one really explains. The temporary relief can actually keep you stuck in the cycle. Hi, I'm Janice Story, nurse and founder of AJ's Infusions, and welcome to the Essential Wellness Podcast, where wellness becomes a ritual, not another thing on your to-do list. This podcast is for educational and inspirational purposes only and is not considered medical advice. Always consult with your healthcare provider for any specifics that you may need. If your lips are constantly dry, peeling, irritated, or needing something every few hours, it can feel like your body is working against you. So naturally, you try more lip balm, more products, more solutions. But here's the shift. Dry lips aren't usually a product problem. They're a pattern problem. You apply something, you feel relief, then that dryness comes back and the cycle repeats. And over time, it starts to feel frustrating, like nothing is actually working. And that is where most people just start blaming themselves. They think, I just need to be more consistent. But consistency isn't trying harder. It's about something that fits into your real life, because when your day is full, when your mind is overwhelmed, you don't reach for routines, you reach for relief, something quick, something easy, something automatic. And that's why lip balm becomes a habit, not a solution. This is where aligned action isn't about doing more, it's about doing something simple that you can actually return to every day. Because when something feels easy, calming, and repeatable, your body doesn't resist it, it actually accepts it. And that's where consistency begins. Not from discipline, but from alignment. This is why small rituals are so powerful, not because they're complicated, but because they're doable. A simple moment of care that supports your body instead of overwhelming it. And when you repeat it daily, your lips don't just feel better, they stabilize. So most people think they need more products, but what they actually need is something simple enough to return to, even on their busiest days. If you've been stuck in that cycle of constantly reapplying and still feeling dry, I created something simple to help you reset the pattern. You can explore the lip ritual through the link in the show notes. And I want you to pause and ask yourself, what is one small thing that your body is asking for that you keep replacing with something quick instead? You don't need more products. You need something you'll actually do, because consistent care, even in those small moments, create real results. If you're ready to begin that shift, your simple ritual is waiting for you. You've just listened to AJ's EO Infusions Essential Wellness Podcast, where wellness becomes a ritual, not another thing on your to-do list. And until next time, take a breath, trust your body and keep glowing.